Luxury is an ever-evolving concept, constantly redefined by innovation, exclusivity, and extraordinary craftsmanship. As we step into 2025, the world of luxury has reached new heights, offering unparalleled experiences, opulent lifestyles, and groundbreaking products that showcase human ingenuity. Whether it's state-of-the-art automobiles, extravagant homes, or cutting-edge technology, luxury in 2025 is about more than just status up. It's about pushing boundaries and embracing the future. One of the most anticipated aspects of luxury in 2025 is the evolution of high-end automobiles. The world's leading car manufacturers have taken luxury vehicles to an entirely new level, introducing models with AI-driven customization, self-healing paint, and interiors crafted from rare and sustainable materials. Brands like Rolls-Royce, Bugatti, and Bentley continue to dominate the luxury market, with models that offer unmatched performance and comfort. Electric hypercars with instant-to-work and near-silent operation are redefining speed, while autonomous driving technology ensures that luxury car owners can enjoy the ride without lifting a finger. Luxury in aviation has also seen remarkable advancements. Private jets are now equipped with AI-powered concierge services, allowing passengers to control every aspect of their flight with voice commands. The latest models from Gulfstream and Bombardier feature panoramic windows, ultra-quiet cabins, and in-flight entertainment systems that rival the most luxurious home theaters. For those seeking an even more exclusive experience, flying cars are no longer a concept of the future, they are becoming a reality, with prototypes already in production and expected to be available for elite customers in the coming years. Real estate remains a cornerstone of luxury, with billionaire mansions and penthouses showcasing unprecedented architectural innovation. In 2025, smart homes are more advanced than ever, featuring voice-activated climate control, biometric security, and AI-driven home management systems that anticipate a homeowner's needs before they even express them. Luxury properties now integrate sustainability with style, incorporating solar panel facades, indoor vertical gardens, and self-sustaining ecosystems that provide fresh produce and purified air. The most exclusive real estate markets in the world, such as Monaco, Dubai, and Beverly Hills, continue to attract ultra-high net worth individuals looking for the ultimate living experience. Luxury watches have always been a symbol of status and craftsmanship, and 2025 is no exception. Leading brands like Rolex, Patek Philippe, and Audemars Piguet are pushing the boundaries of horology, creating timepieces with turbulent movements, perpetual calendars, and rare gemstone embellishments. In addition to classic mechanical watches, smart luxury watches now feature AI-driven health monitoring, real-time financial tracking, and blockchain-based authentication to prevent counterfeiting. Some high-end brands have even started offering fully customizable watches, allowing collectors to design their own dials, straps, and complications to match their personal style. The world of fashion is equally opulent, with luxury brands such as Chanel, Louis Vuitton, and Gucci continuing to set trends in haute couture. In 2025, luxury fashion is not just about aesthetics but also about sustainability and technological innovation. Smart fabrics that adapt to body temperature, self-cleaning materials, and AI-powered personal stylists are now part of the luxury fashion experience. Limited edition collections featuring lab-grown diamonds, ethically sourced rare materials, and one-of-a-kind handmade pieces have become the epitome of exclusivity. Celebrities and billionaires often secure custom-designed outfits that are never replicated, ensuring that their fashion choices remain entirely unique. The hospitality industry has also evolved, with luxury hotels and resorts offering hyper-personalized experiences that go beyond five-star service. In 2025, elite travelers can stay in floating resorts with glass-bottom suites, underwater hotels offering unparalleled views of marine life, and private islands equipped with AI-powered butlers. Personalized travel experiences, such as space tourism and deep-sea luxury submarines, are now available to those who seek the ultimate adventure. The most exclusive destinations in the world, from the Maldives to the Swiss Alps, have redefined luxury travel by integrating technology, sustainability, and personalized service into every aspect of a guest's stay. Luxury dining has reached new heights, with Michelin-starred restaurants offering multi-sensory dining experiences that blend culinary artistry with technology. In 2025, molecular gastronomy has become even more sophisticated, with chefs using AI-powered analysis to create dishes that perfectly match a diner's preferences. Private dining experiences in hidden locations, from underwater caves to remote mountain peaks, offer the ultimate exclusivity. For those who prefer dining at home, personal chefs and AI-driven kitchens can now create gourmet meals tailored to specific dietary needs, ensuring that luxury is always at one's fingertips. Technology has also transformed the luxury experience in ways that were once unimaginable. The latest smartphones and gadgets are crafted from precious metals and encrusted with rare gems, while AI-driven assistants provide seamless integration between work, leisure, and personal life. Virtual reality and augmented reality have revolutionized entertainment, allowing users to experience concerts, art galleries, and even exclusive events from the comfort of their homes. Limited edition NFTs and digital collectibles have become a new form of luxury investment, with high-profile collectors spending millions on rare virtual assets. The beauty industry has also embraced luxury in 2025, with personalized skincare and wellness treatments that use DNA analysis to create bespoke products. High-end spas now offer rejuvenation therapies that use nanotechnology and AI-driven diagnostics to optimize health and beauty. Luxury fragrances are also evolving, with scent customization services that allow individuals to create their own signature scents using rare and exotic ingredients. The concept of self-care has never been more indulgent, with elite consumers investing in wellness retreats, biohacking treatments, and anti-aging innovations that promise to extend youth and vitality. Exclusive experiences remain at the core of luxury living, with private art collections, rare wine auctions, and bespoke yacht cruises defining the lifestyle of the ultra-wealthy. In 2025, luxury is no longer just about owning expensive things, it's about experiencing the extraordinary. The world's most elite individuals are investing in once-in-a-lifetime adventures, from space travel to deep-sea exploration. Personalized concierge services ensure that every experience is tailored to the client's desires, whether it's a private concert with a world-famous musician or a behind-the-scenes tour of the most prestigious art galleries. Luxury also extends to personal well-being, with elite fitness centers offering AI-driven personal training, biometric health tracking, and recovery therapies that enhance performance and longevity. Exclusive wellness clubs provide members with access to cutting-edge medical treatments, biohacking solutions, and holistic health programs that integrate traditional wisdom with modern science. The pursuit of physical and mental well-being has become an integral part of the luxury lifestyle, with elite consumers prioritizing longevity and quality of life. As we move further into 2025, the definition of luxury continues to evolve, shaped by technological advancements, sustainability, and an ever-growing demand for exclusivity. Whether it's in the form of high-end automobiles, smart homes, designer fashion, or bespoke experiences, luxury remains a symbol of status, innovation, and personal expression. The most affluent individuals in the world are not just purchasing luxury items, they are investing in a lifestyle that offers unparalleled comfort, customization, and access to the extraordinary. The future of luxury is limitless, with innovations that redefine what it means to live lavishly. From hyper-personalized AI-driven services to eco-conscious opulence, luxury in 2025 is a seamless blend of tradition and cutting-edge advancements. As the world continues to evolve, so too does the concept of luxury, offering new possibilities and experiences that push the boundaries of what was once thought possible. The pursuit of luxury is no longer just about wealth, it's about embracing the best that life has to offer in the most extraordinary way possible.